Hey guys, it's Natalie Valera. I'm back. I'm gonna be singing Dreamin' of You. This is actually a request by a friend of mine from school. I guess she's watching right now. Yeah. This is gonna be by Selena. I don't know her last name, so the title is Dreamin' of You if you want to sing it too. So here we go. Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you, and I wish on a star that some way are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Wonder if you ever see me, and wonder if you know I'm there. If you look in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have are dreams of you. So wait for the day and the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Okay, thanks, and hope you guys like it. Comment and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.